Hello friends, how are you doing? Hey Indu,
Hmm.
say some hello, hi man.
Hi.
What happened? Why are you so sad?
We could have cleared eyelids in first attempt itself.
Seriously?
Yes.
Oh, we could have read more, we could have given more practice, Hana?
No.
Then,
See, here it's written. Eyelids is easier to clear in some location. But
seriously?
we sat and gave it in Bangalore. We could have given it in Andaman maybe. We could have given it some rural area. Why we gave it in Bangalore? And we wasted our money.
Yeah, actually, you know what happened? Some of my friends said the same thing and they visited the different part of the country to give the exam, and you know what happened?
What happened?
They didn't clear it. Okay, so this is the myth. So some of my friends who are in like in Punjab or in Delhi, they have given the exam from wherever possible, where is the list area where they can go, and they have not got the cleared the exam.
Really?
Yes. So don't believe on things written on the website. Okay.
Okay.
So hello friends. So in this video we are going to bust some of the myths related to eyelids,
Yeah.
which we have heard, read,
Read, listened,
and
and believed.
believed.
Yeah, I also believed few of them, and this was one of them that I was really telling when we were writing, and I had read somewhere that if you give it in some centers, you would be able to clear it.
Clear it. Yeah,
Yeah,
correct.
but I am sure this is a myth.
Correct. So one more thing I have to ask Hindu, like if I know how to speak English, I know how to write English, is that enough to clear the exam?
I wish. No, but IELTS is all about format. You have to follow the correct format.
Okay, and you have to give task response whatever they ask.
Yes, yes.
So in the essay, if they have given like there are four sections, so we have to do all of them.
Yes, all the four session vocabulary, grammar, task response, and what is that? Cohesive.
Cohesive. So
Yeah,
all that is necessary.
all that is necessary, and just not writing some English words or English sentences.
Oh, okay, okay. Thank you for that.
See, I have even you. I think even I've shown you that YouTube video where they had told that use these high funda words and you can get seven.
Plethora,
Yeah, like
mesmerizing. Those words you are talking about.
yes, plethora, mesmerizing, and recapitulation, or some of these words.
So okay, no, actually, if you know these words, that is very good. But actually, generally, what most of the people like is they don't know how to and where to use them. So that is the issue. Using these words is not enough. Knowing how to use them, where to use them is good enough.
Yeah.
But also along with that, it's not necessary you need to know these words. If you know the simple words which we can use to help examiner understand what you are trying to write, I think it's more than enough. Did you use some of these words?
No, I didn't use it, but I got a 7.5.
Okay. I also didn't use, and I also got my more than 7.
Oh,
Thank you. But we give 3 attempts.
I did cut this.
Okay.
Okay. So, so what? What's the next myth?
Next myth is like what I've heard, like if I get score less than 7, that is not acceptable. Is that so?
No, it is not like that. Anybody can get less than 7 also, but still can be acceptable because 7, we try to get that, what is that band 877 because we have to get higher into our express
Express entry
entry.
code. Okay,
Yeah.
So what generally happens? So people think, okay, if they are getting 7 or below 7, it's not acceptable. It's not like that.
Yeah.
If you get 7 or less than 7, then also it's acceptable, but it depends where you are applying.
There are few provinces where 7 is lesser than 7 is also called, like Saskatchewan or maybe BC. Maybe I'm not sure. There are few provinces, but
But the thing is that it's if you get more band, it will help you to get above in the express entry pool. That is
right.
the main thing about band 7. It's not that you are not qualified or you are not eligible for some of the things. Also for academic, we don't need to get band 7. If we have less than 7 also, we can apply for many universities.
True, true. Academic especially, yeah. True. So I am, thank God, none of the questions are repeated. That was so good part.
Oh, who told you that? In my speaking, I got this same question twice. Did you know that?
No.
Yes. So questions are repeated, can be repetitive as well in case of your writing, listening.
Yeah.
Yeah. So in our previous video, you can see where we are discussing about our speaking experience.
Oh yes, the questions were repeated for you, right?
So my question was about my wife only. So it was like when
me.
in the lockdown, what kind of discussion you have done with your wife? So that was the question, and I got the same question
Should we
second
say
time.
we just discussed about eyelids because our whole lockdown was just about eyelids. Yeah.
Yeah, that's true. So, but it's not necessary you will get the same question. But I think it was my luck that I got the same question and I gave the same answer. And about that, the follow-up questions were also same.
That's lucky. Lucky people, you know.
Hmm.
Got a wife like me, right? Obviously. Lucky.
Wow.
So, next.
Okay. So just one question, like we have different kind of essays. We have solution, we have discussion, we have opinion discussion, we have opinion. So is that only we are going to get one kind of essay in our exam?
You don't remember the third time we wrote? We both had same questions. Uh, I was sitting here and he was sitting diagonally to me, but we both got the same questions. But those questions were a combination of two different essay types.
It was a combination solution as well as
No, situation and I think discussion, an opinion based.
opinion plus solution.
Yeah,
Situation.
So
You can
we were
get
shocked. We were shocked the first time when we read the question. 2 minutes I was trying to understand what type of question it was. So I, as we had made the templates and as we have shared with you guys as well, we will be putting the templates
link in the description as
box. We mixed those templates and made the answer.
So it's very much necessary you understand what type of question is. It's not
Yes.
necessary you will get only one type of question. It can be combination of two as well.
Yeah, and then you have to combine those two templates and then write one answer.
So you can think it was first time for us. We actually I thought I don't know what they are really trying to ask from us.
2 minutes I was not able to understand that. So you have to understand what type of essay it is and what type of answer you need to write it. It's for both. It's for the part one, the letter also, and for the part two as well.
Correct.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I know it doesn't happen for us, but I know as soon as we clear IELTS, we'll get a call from Canada or Australia. Yeah.
Oh, we have been waiting from last 6 months for that time, that thing only. Why didn't you get call?
Mine is Vodafone, that's fine.
So that's a myth for many of the people actually. We think if we clear the exam, we are going to get a call from Canada or Australia. I think that doesn't happen that way.
Yeah, it's a long process.
Yeah, it's a long process. Also, it totally depends on the draws which Canada, Australia, or New Zealand or they are picking on, and also depend on the what technical skills you have or skills what they are requiring. Do you match all of them or not? So that's how it is. It's not because we were also hoping, okay, if we clear our exam, we are going to get into Canada in next 1 month, 2 months. Now it's more than 6 months. I think we have been
Yeah,
waiting.
even our family members were very like, okay, now you've cleared, now you'll be moving to Canada. How it will happen, when it's going to happen.
They told us, no, don't go so early, don't go so early.
Yeah, it was like as if we are just going in 1 month or something, but
But it doesn't happen.
yeah.
So it all depends, I think, on your luck, on your exam, and on the draws what Canada picks up.
Yeah, and due to pandemic, things
have
have
got slow.
Yeah, so whoever is watching and they're waiting for their maybe some draw mail from the Canada embassy or something. So just don't worry about it. We are also into the
Same category will like you people.
Yeah.
So it will happen. It will take time. Or if it happens, it can happen like might be for like for next day as well. But don't be think okay, I've cleared the exam now. I'm going to go in like 1 month only. It's not that way.
I wish
We
we
wish
could.
if that could have been the reality.
Yeah, but it's not the reality. So yeah, these are some of the myths which we try to burst today. Some which we felt before writing the exam that this is true.
And after writing the exam as well.
Yeah, we did. But it didn't happen. So don't believe these myths. There are hundreds of myths you can find in maybe in YouTube or in Google. So just don't follow them and just practice.
I think that's the best
And
thing.
follow the correct format for writing the exam, as watch our videos where you can get some of the ideas and tips and our experiences after writing the exam.
Correct.
Yeah, and as we said in the last video, we would be trying out something new in our videos. So please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.
videos.
And
तब तक के लिए
Bye
बाय
bye.
बाय.